says that another leader, Booker T. Washington, helped to form schools to educate African Americans in order to improve their status in society, which means that they had to build their own schools to educate people so that they could improve who they were, where they lived.
Going off of what Jaden was saying, I would like to bring up the point of JFK as president. He was very supportive of editing segregation and equal rights for all people. However, I was noticing in one of his speeches on source 2 on page 10, he used the word
respectfully. When nobody's talking, it would be great if you just like build off somebody's idea and make them talk.
I think next time I should.
Somebody's idea by
I think I should make
and then
a counterclaim as the.
So first I'm gonna say I disagree with them.
Yeah, and if you can't find a double argument, you should cite direct evidence, and you should present a claim while citing direct evidence.
Alright, so now that's my topic. In orange, I'm going to write my details. Can anyone give me a detail you heard from today's Socratic seminar? Lanaya.
People of color equals second class citizens.
People of color equals. This way, when you do your SBO, your exit ticket, you know what you're going to say. All you have to do is create a topic sentence using a subordinate conjunction or an appositive.